the best stop over here, where you can see the.
You can see that you cannot see. Oh!
Let's try if I can see. Ah, there.
Oh, there. Okay, let's go up there. Hang on up, Razak. Don't just jump. If you wanna jump later on, when I'm speeding.
Going left is Taif.
Oh, it's cool. There's the kayak too. Someone is sitting here too. She's some foods to eat.
Okay, so we
Pansa?
are. I'm very full. What is that? Tea?
Yes. T-bone. Not T-bone.
Hey, she's busy. Sige, I will take it. Pumpkin.
You can get one. Check this out. Kamsa?
May biko sila. Bilihan mo pa respect. What are these? Ah. Barik.
Give me 3.
There's a fruit stand here, guys. Tomato, and this is the ano. I've tried eating this. Ayoko nang ulitin. I will not do it again. I didn't like that. That's a fruit of cactus. Pomegranate. Is that lychee? Or lychee? Palm? Different. Guys, I think this is the biggest. Pumpkin. These are from here, products of Abha. Vegetable. This is good for sinigang. This is my favorite for sinigang when I'm here in Saudi Arabia. It's still crunchy. Perfectionist. Pwede.
Okay, these are the traditional foods of Saudi Arabia. And what is this?
Rice with noodles.
Rice with noodles.
This is jadish. This is margout.
Wow, I love this.
Vegetable soda bread without chicken.
And this one?
Brown bread with the honey with the dates.
And the other one?
White bread with the honey with the dates.
You cook it for yourself?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. But we are full. We ate down. No, we already took it.
Take sweets and samosa chicken.
We will be staying 3 days here, so we will come back for
Milk comes with my bridger.
guys. Here.
Take your cup. Excuse me?
She ordered? He ordered?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank you. They're very nice here, guys. They're feeling cold. Oh wow.
Come in.
Thank you, madam. Well, lakad lang ako. She speaks English, guys. And very warm. Tourists. Saudi Arabia is really promoting their tourism, guys. You should be proud of your country. A lot of places Hello, my friend. Hi, where are you from?
We are from here. Where about you?
Jinsan.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
Hi.
See? Tea on the go. Oh, guys, oh. Look at that, oh. Guys, I can't read this, but do it for me. Okay, now I will show you the wow. The wow.
هذه طبعا تحت رجال السخن كله جاي رجال.
Oh, it's raining again.
Lovely weather, right?
Yeah, I love it.
You're going down?
we were from there, from down.
Really?
Going up now, yeah, we just arrived and
How's
have
the
this.
weather?
Same like this.
Dangerous?
No.
You
Be
can see
careful.
the road?
Yeah, you can see.
Sure.
Yes. It looks not.
We're about to go down, but
Go down. You can slowly.
The weather is not.
No, it's okay there.
It's not safe.
The problem is the drivers are not safe because they overtake. My English is broken na, guys. My English is so broken. Tea. Okay, let me put it down. Abdurazak. Came from there. Hindi siya ulan, ano siya, yung ulap na may so fog. Oh, it's not nice now to drive down there. Visibility is poor. Whoa, but can't see anything down there, guys, because of the clouds. Here, ayun. Careful. Guys, namumulot ng hailstorm, guys. Ang lalaki. Ano ba ito na? Okay, dalawa.
Okay ba?
Okay na.
Malamig.
Messy hair don't care, guys. Messy hair don't care. I hope you can see down there, guys, but not possible because of the fog or clouds. Alright, enough. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Soudah Abha Asir region. Yeah, I think Asir region. I'll keep doing this kind of vlog, guys, so you will be able to see the beautiful places of Saudi Arabia, especially here in southwest part of Saudi Arabia. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. I love you all. Bye bye.